Mecca, Nina, Lester Sharif, Masjid Al-Aqsa. Oh yeah, Masjid.
Well, there's actually 5. The other one is called Bolton Sharif.
Bolton Sharif?
Well, you can call it Bolton Sharif Square.
Y'all like that? They don't like it.
No, I'm telling you, they are very Sharif here.
Oh.
Sharif. So I'm going to leave you to inshallah look after them.
Okay.
Omar, Regan.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Hey man, I miss y'all. How doing? Sister, did you come with your husband? They on punishment or something? Your husband's is on timeout, huh? MashaAllah. Oh man. Alright, so listen, this is what we're gonna do.
The big screen.
We have a few rules, alhamdulillah. One, Muslims, I think, is a big problem for us if we're walking around like this. Nah. Muslims should always just be happy and excited, just all the time. Someone say, Salamu alaikum. Like, wa alaikum salam. People of other faith look at us and be like, what is wrong with them? They're just Muslim. They're always like that. It's a problem because sometimes Muslims, they walk around like this. You say, Salamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. We can't be like that. We just got to be happy, man. Allah blessed us. Another rule, when Muslims always smiling, another rule here is, because we are Muslim, alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us, we don't really do like other people. You know, you see Maher, Zain, or something, you know. Haram. We don't do that. Oh my God! Haram.